Building and managing microservices on AWS. When it comes to building microservices on AWS, there are several key services and tools that developers can leverage. One of the most popular services is AWS Lambda, which allows developers to run code without provisioning or managing servers. With Lambda, developers can build microservices that are highly scalable and cost-effective, as they only pay for the compute time they consume. Another popular tool for building microservices on AWS is AWS API Gateway, which allows developers to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. Managing microservices on AWS. Managing microservices on AWS involves a number of best practices to ensure that your applications are secure, scalable, and reliable. One key best practice is to use AWS Elastic Container Service (ECS) or AWS Fargate for containerized microservices. ECS and Fargate make it easy to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications on AWS without having to manage the underlying infrastructure. Another best practice is to implement microservices monitoring using tools like AWS CloudWatch. CloudWatch allows developers to collect and track metrics, monitor log files, set alarms, and automatically respond to changes in their AWS resources. By monitoring key performance indicators, developers can identify and address issues before they impact users. AWS Microservices Best Practices. Design microservices that are loosely coupled and independently deployable and use automation for deployment, testing, and monitoring. Implement security best practices, such as encrypting data in transit and at rest. Leverage AWS managed services, such as AWS RDS for database management. Conclusion. In conclusion, building and managing microservices on AWS requires a solid understanding of microservices architecture, along with knowledge of the various AWS services and tools available.